Hi everyone, it's Leon here from Gardens with Purpose. Some of you may know me as Joanne's son. Recently my wife and I attempt to cook a curry mutton and we actually filmed it. But I'm really doing this introduction because I apparently didn't save the video file properly. So I'm really doing this introduction. So what happened was, in classes when we teach people how to grow herbs and spices, we will always tell them how wonderful, how beneficial herbs are, spices especially, they are high in antioxidant. And yeah, they're just wonderful and they're very delicious and tasty. So apparently one of my close friends from Bangladesh, he actually cooked curry mutton once and he gave me a portion to eat, and it was absolutely delicious. The taste is not like a normal curry that you usually find in Singapore. It was a very unique taste and it's very there's a lot of spices in it. And it was so delicious that I actually let my wife try, and then we both started to nag him to give us a recipe, and we actually nagged him for a good maybe half a year until he finally agreed to teach us, to show us how to cook the curry mutton Bangladesh style. So he came over to our office with another friend and we had a cooking session. It was quite fun. Showed us step by step. But the thing is, everything is all agak. He tells me, it's agak this spoon amount, for this meat agak, just add a bit more later. So we try our best to jot down the quantities of each powder and different spices. So after the session, of course, we ate all the mutton, and the following video is basically my wife and I attempting to recreate the mutton dish at home without the help of our friend. And because I have no experience in cooking at all, my lovely wife is going to help me in fact, she's going to do most of the cooking. I'm just going to do most of the talking, and we're going to show you our attempt of recreating the special curry mutton from Bangladesh. Okay. So I'll show you the recipe. I'll post it over here online, and you all can download it yourself and attempt it yourself. So here on the table you can see all the different ingredients listed out. Now I realized that for cinnamon bay leaves, the Alachi cardamom seeds, cinnamon sticks, all these things, they actually sell this packet which has everything inside. So you have the bay leaves here, you can see the clove inside, as well as the different the cardamom Alachi seeds itself. So this one packet has quite a few of the ingredients, and then we have the coriander powder here. This is not the same brand as we used that day, but never mind. Another one here, which is the cumin powder, a bit of salt, a bit of what is this thing here? This is known as cumin seeds. Yeah, okay. And here we have the mutton, which we're gonna wash it. And then onions, as well as the chili padi or chili, just chili. So the first step apparently, which we didn't show earlier, is actually to blend. We have to blend the garlic and the ginger together. So when you blend it together, this is what you have, the final product. And not final product, the first step. And the next step is to heat up the cooking oil and start cooking. Okay, as I mentioned just now that I have my lovely wife here to help me with the cooking, since she is the chef, not me at home. So today I have her here. Who is she? You can see she's this lovely lady here. Yes, we're gonna have another baby soon, a little baby boy will come in a couple of months time. So she's very excited. You can see her big smile down there. So yeah, she's actually preparing the wok to fry and start the cooking oil. Now I know in the recipe it says sunflower oil, but we don't have sunflower oil, so heck, we use only coconut oil. So much oil, I have no idea how much you add. So a quick summary of the step 1, looks like just fry everything that is dried non-powdered together. So cinnamon leaf, Alachi seeds, cinnamon sticks, blah blah blah. Okay, so now the oil is hot enough. I'm going to throw everything inside, all one lump sum there. I have no idea what's it going to turn out. Yeah. And how much? The whole thing? Oh, okay, we prepared too many. Too much. We prepared too much. Okay, since you don't know the amount, let's just say it's agak. Agak. Oh, that much onion? I think 3 or something. And was it always this dry, or should we add more oil or something? Is this correct? So So this is correct, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So fry the onion. Okay, so the next step is after add onions, I think fry until they turn golden brown. Hey, the onions is also cut small pieces, I remember. Did we cut small pieces?
Oh, onion. Very small.
Did we cut small pieces?
No way.
No, it was like that. I can't remember already. Okay, just gonna try it out anyway. Okay, so this is what the coriander powder. Coriander powder. How much did we add the previous time? Then after that, we didn't have the big plastic spoon, so we're using the metal, which is bigger. So I got from there. Then after that, what's the next powder? Cumin powder. Also, I think half a spoon. Okay, and then I don't remember you doing this fast, you know. Are we doing too soon? Okay, and also the chili powder a little bit. Yeah, just maybe about quarter spoon because we added. We haven't added chili just now, right? I just want to fry the chili together. Yeah. Because remember he said not so much chili because we added chili from the beginning. Quarter. Yeah. And also turmeric powder, he said don't need to add so much because it's just for the color. So maybe, I don't know, quarter. There we go.
Chili also now.
Add chili inside since I forgot to add this now. Was it big chili or did we cut it small pieces at the time? Do you remember?
Yeah, I think it cut into small pieces.
How do we have to cut it now? Or just never mind. Yeah, he added a bit of salt. I also have no idea how much salt. This was taste it first, then you. So taste the thing before you add the salt.
Yeah.
Not too much, it's very salty.
This salt is not salty.
It's not salty.
It's not so salty.
Okay, then just be careful. Later nobody eat the thing. Okay, so this is a Himalayan rock salt, yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Not salty.
Yeah, it's too salty, nobody's gonna eat the yeah. Okay, so after add onions and fry more, add chili powder, add the mixed powder. Fry to smell nice, then add mutton. Okay, so this is a very important step. Step 6. Does it smell nice to you?
Yeah, spicy.
Spicy. But does it smell nice?
Yeah, it smells nice.
Smell nice. Okay, good. So let me do a smell here. Yeah, not bad. Quite nice. So you can see we actually cut to small pieces. If you want the bone, you can cut some of the meat out of the bone to have small ones. And we learned that the bone itself, the cartilage, takes a longer time to cook. If not, it's still very hard. Whereas like pure meat seems to be much faster. So now that the curry smells good enough, I think we can throw it in. Yeah, just review some of the pictures of. Yeah, let's throw it. Yeah. So if you have not much experience, please do not try this at home.
1 hour, right?
Yeah, I think cook for about an hour. Then add water anyway. So since we super atas, we don't add tap water, we add mineral water. Wow. So little not so much adding. Add some more. Not already. Okay. Yeah, the chef, you know better than me, that's for sure. Looks very different, but oh well, we're still gonna eat it. Money has been spent, we have to eat it. That was food. So we're just gonna cover it, simmer a bit, open, check, stir a bit, cover, simmer, and repeat until we find that the meat is cooked.
Well, I don't think they will watch the whole video like that, no?
I don't know, that's what editing is about.
Yeah.
So it's sizzling, simmering. Is that fire still? Yeah, fire still. I assume on low. I think it's simmer enough. The difference between just now and now is we actually added a bit of salt because I tasted the curry. It doesn't taste salty enough. And made a bit of water, and I poured some of the oil also on the surface. So I'm not sure you can see because I'm using the camera. Yeah, it looks kind of ready. So I just tested with a fork here and I poked one. And I'm gonna see whether it's cooked and whether can we call it a day. So it was hot. Yeah, hot. Yeah, it looks cooked, I think. You can see the lighting there. Yeah, it looks cooked, so I think it's cooked already. I think it's done. Yay, it's completed. Let me go and tell my wife. So we're eating the mutton now. We've got kangkong, and yeah. So kangkong from our garden, mutton we just cooked, and let's give it a try with the rice. It actually tastes quite good. Must do the thing to be convincing. Hey, did you give it a try?
I eat veggie here.
Yeah, so you gotta eat the homegrown kangkong. Alright. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video just now and that you will attempt to make your own curry mutton because it really tasted fantastic. Do stay tuned to the end of this video to watch a couple of bloopers here. And if you'd like to learn how to grow your own organic vegetables or herbs and spices, do visit Gardens with Purpose website, and of course subscribe to our channel here. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again. Is there still fire? I don't hear any frying sound. Oh, there's no fire. Oh, no wonder we're like not cooking anything. I've turned off the fire away. You're not even noticing it. So, yeah, we're just marinating the mutton just now. Yeah, please ignore all that. Here is my wife telling me that this chili is not hot. That's why the curry is not hot. So she's asking me to take a bite from it. I dare not take a bite. Okay, let me give it a try. Yeah? Okay, the camera. I think this is hot.